Hey everyone, this is Miss Miner with today's lesson on multiplying two-digit by two-digit numbers. We've used arrays, we used partial products, and now we're going to use the standard algorithm of multiplying two digits by two digits numbers. Please make sure you have your essential question ready. And as a reminder, Miss Miner has the three-column notes set up for you. Today there are steps that you will add in the three-column notes, so make sure you leave some space for your answer and also for the steps that we're using for the standard algorithm. So let's go ahead and get started for today. Our first problem is 41 times 23. To illustrate this, we're going to first use partial products like we've been practicing. So I'm going to cover up my 2 and multiply by 3 first. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 40 is 120. Now I'm done with my 3, so I'm going to cross him out. Now we are multiplying by 20. 20 times 1 is the same as 20. 20 times 40, remember I said you can write the facts over here, the factors, and then find the basic facts. 2 times 4 is 8 with 2 zeros. And then you can move it and record it down here. Now we add up all the partial products. 3, 4, and 9. Now for the standard algorithm, this is where we do our regrouping. Start with our 3. Cover up that 2, erase it, whatever you need to do, and then we'll bring it back to life like we did today. 3 times 1 is 3, and there's no regrouping. 3 times 4 is 12, so I'm going to record that right here in front of my 3. Little bit different. So I did 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 4 is 12, but I write my product in front of my 3. Now I'm done with the 3, so I'm going to cross him off. We are in the tens place now, so I'm going to put my placeholder of 0 right here. 2 times 1 is the same as 2. 2 times 4 is the same as 8. And we add them all together. 3 in our ones, 4 in our tens, and 9 in our hundreds. And it checks out. Okay? This time we're not doing the partial products, we're just going to use the standard algorithm with the regrouping. Start with the ones. 1 times 7 is the same as 7. 1 times 3 is the same as 3, because remember it's 1 times 30. And wouldn't 37 times 1 still equal 37? Now we're done with the ones place. Now we need our placeholder because we're multiplying by the tens. So write your placeholder of your 0. 2 times 7 is the same as 14. Record your 4 and regroup your 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 more makes 7. Then you add up 7, 7, and 7. Hope you're getting the hang of this a little bit. Let's try this one again. 81 times 17. Start with the ones. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 8 is 56. So I'm going to record that in front of my 7. I'm done with my 7, and I'm going to write my placeholder of 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 8 is 8. Add them all up. 7, 7, and 8 plus 5 more gives you 13. So 1,377. A little bit easier than the partial products. I would like for you to try these ones on your own of 81 times 46 and 53 times 17. Make sure you pause the video as many times as you need to write down your responses, any questions or concerns you have about the skill. Please make sure you also pause the video in order to write down our answer to our essential question is use the multiplication algorithm. And here are our steps. Take a notice that what you see is the same as what we did before and what's different. Make sure you pause the tape and re-watch it as many times as you need to. And as always,